Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us today. Today video topic is how to add elevation in profile. Let's go laptop screen, then open Civil 3D, then open profile drawing. This is a profile drawing. Then click graph, then right click, then profile view property click. Click elevation, edit minimum elevation 1575, edit maximum elevation 1605, then apply, OK. Finally elevation edit 1575 1605. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, share, comment and follow. See you in the next video. Thank you.